Hi, in this video I'm going to show you all the notes in the first position on the viola. If you've seen my other video on how to read viola music, you can check that out up there. In that video I talk about just the first basic positions that we learn, which I call the M shape, where we have our fingers in this pattern 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this video we're going to use some more finger positions. So when I speak about them, I'm going to refer to the first finger as a low one, which is below where it usually sits. From this M shape, when the 2 goes down next to the normal first finger, that's a low second finger. And when the 3 goes up high next to the fourth finger, that's a high third finger. So all of those finger positions will be open, then low 1, normal 1, low 2, middle 2 or M2, M3, high 3 and 4. Thanks so much for joining me here today. If you're new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. New videos come out every Friday. So on the C string, we have open C, and then we have low first finger playing C sharp. First finger moves up to D. Then low 2 is E flat, M2 is E natural, M3 is F natural, and high 3 is F sharp, fourth finger playing G. From our G string, we have low 1 playing A flat, normal 1 A natural, low 2 is B flat, B natural, C natural, C sharp, and D. Please note that when you do not see anything written next to a note like a natural, sharp, or a flat, then it is just presumed to be a natural. On the D string, we have open D, then E flat with our low first finger, E natural with normal first finger, low 2 makes F natural, M2 makes F sharp. Third finger makes G in this position, and then high 3 is G sharp, fourth finger makes A. Our A string starts with our open A, and then low 1 makes B flat, B natural is our normal first finger, low 2 is C natural, M2 is C sharp, third finger M3 is D natural, then high 3 is D sharp, and fourth finger makes E. Thanks for joining me here today. I hope you got value out of that video. Please make sure you let me know by hitting the subscribe button down below and leaving a comment, and I'll see you next time.